In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the Naira sign for using in indicating Naira. Usually you can use N maybe to specify 100,000. Well, if you want to have it to be the Naira sign, it has to have the two strikes, the double strike. But what we have here is a single strike, which is not enough. So I can undo this, and what I want is a double strike. So you can come to this show more or font option. You can click, and then you'll be able to see double strike through from here. And once you select this, you can click on OK, but you can see the preview also. This is the Naira sign that we're looking for. Once you click on OK, this now becomes our Naira sign. So you can use it anywhere. You can copy it. If you want to write 2000, you can just paste it and just write your 2000 Naira. Oh, sorry. So you can just write your 2000. For example, you will just write your 2000, and then you can come over here and paste in your Naira. So you have now 2000 Naira. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.